Shiba Inu, everyone's favorite cryptocurrency, the favorite meme coin. Current price you can see over here 1189. I know a lot of people want to buy it, but let's see what the charts are telling us. I've got the 4-hour chart over here. As you can see, this line, this red line over here, this is your point of control. Basically, lot of volume in this area, and this is falling at around 1178. So yeah, Shiba Inu trying to test this. And one more thing, if I show you over here, try to put a price channel, you can see that it is trying to follow this price channel. Make a copy of this please, and you can see, so this area looks interesting, 1178 till 1159, because why? Point of control is here, and then this upward channel is here also. RSI 31.1. now this is something little bit interesting. Why? I will show you. Let me just remove the channel and then let me show you why. So you see RSI over here is almost flat, little bit more. Over here it was how much? 30, and now 31. But look at the price is in a downward fashion. So we are at a RSI divergence on the 4-hour chart for Shiba Inu. Other than this, if I try to zoom out, let's go to the daily chart. So I know why a lot of people are interested in Shiba Inu. Like today price is over here, and if I try to go back to all-time high, you can see the potential 626% is the potential from this price. Of course, there is no guarantee this will happen or not, but it just shows how much potential is possible from current price. Now this is the daily chart, and of course higher time frames are more important. As you can see over here, this red line, which is the 200 moving average on the daily chart, you can see we saw a pump straight away, rejected from here. So yeah, these things are important, we have to keep an eye on this. Other than that, if I try to build some support resistance areas, so of course this area is very important. Next would be this area. Why? Look at this, so many resistance over here, resistance, and converted to support in this region so many times. You can see wick. Let me zoom in a bit more for you, then you can see what I'm talking about. There is a wick over here, a little bit wick here, then found support here. So of course this looks like an interesting level, which is at 967, 975. Of course these are approximate numbers, we can never know the exact reversal point. Other than this, in the short term, we can see that this area is also interesting, where the price is at the moment, because lot of wicks and rejection, resistance. Look at this, resistance, again over here resistance, and then found big bounce from here, testing this area again. But in terms of the RSI, you can see at 43.98 the current RSI, which means, look at this, it loves to go 30, below 30. So there is scope, downward scope is possible, and of course we know Bitcoin is under pressure, so that is quite possible. So don't forget this in your analysis. If you are a beginner and you're new into investing into cryptocurrencies for Shiba Inu, for example, I will show you one very important thing, which is called Bitcoin Dominance. I talked about this before also. Let me go to the weekly quickly to show you something very important. Okay, let me go away, delete. Look at this area, see, very important area. This area is very nice support, and again you can see, even here also you can see, what is this exactly? 40.65 till 39.5. This has been acting as a very good support for Bitcoin Dominance. Why am I talking about this when I'm talking about Shiba Inu? Is because Shiba Inu is a meme coin, Shiba Inu is a altcoin. Whenever you see a push in dominance, whenever you see an increase in dominance, your altcoins will take the opposite direction. So you can see from here, if Bitcoin Dominance tries to pump back up towards this green line, we will see a drop, not only in Shiba Inu but all other altcoins also. So please be mindful of this if you are investing into the markets. Let's go back to our Shiba Inu. On the weekly, you can see, of course, point of control 698 roughly is very important level, but that is quite far right now. If market shows lot of weakness, then yeah, we can see that we saw this level before also, that is possible. But until then, let's go to the 4-hour chart. So you can see 4-hour chart again under pressure. Let me put back the price channel that I had before so that you can look at it again. It's from here till here. You can see this area is becoming interesting, so keep an eye in this area. And of course, if you are actively trading the markets, cryptocurrency, please don't forget proper risk management. This is the thing that will make you or break you. If you want to earn profits consistently, you need to learn about risk management. Please do that. Proper stop loss, risk management, and good luck trading. Thank you.